Okay, last section, 38 through 41. Here, all we're doing is condensing this, so making it from being really long to short. So you'll notice in 38, there are 3 log 6s. We only want there to be 1 log 6. That's why your answer choices only have 1 log 6 in them. All right. Now, plus turns to multiplication. Minus turns into division or fraction, right? Because fractions are division. So we're just going to go left to right. Okay, so I've got log 6, 8 plus log 6, 7 minus log 6, 2. First thing I look for is to see if there's any numbers in front of the word log, and there's not here. All right, so if there were any numbers in front, they would become exponents. But it doesn't look like any of these problems have that, so we don't have to worry about that. All right, so now I'm just going to do the first 2. So you can only do 2 at a time. So there's a plus on this one, which means it turns into multiplication. So this is going to change to log 6 of 8 times 7, which is going to be log 6 of, and 8 times 7 is 56. All right. And now I just bring down the minus log 6 of 2. All right. So I've got log 6, 56 minus log 6 of 2. The minus, remember, turns into division. So this is log 6 of 56 divided by 2. All right, and then 56 divided by 2 is 28. So log 6, 28. Now, you should have recognized, okay, because in the beginning I said there were no numbers in front of the word log. So that means there would be no exponents. That automatically counts out A, which has 8 to the 5th, an exponent. B, which has 7 to the 4th, an exponent. C has the cube root of 8. Well, cube roots can be written as the exponent 1/3. So as long as you know that there's not going to be any exponents, we can automatically say, well, it can't be none of those. So the only answer choice left would have been D, the only one without an exponent. All right, let's do 39. Once again, there are no numbers in front of the logs, so there's not going to be any exponents here. Remember, exponent can also be written as a radical. So if I see any radicals, my answer is out. So D has the square root of 6. Square root can be written as the exponent 1/2. Since there's no numbers in front, there's no exponents, so there's no square roots either. So this time all that did was it canceled out one answer. So now let's go ahead and work out the rest of the problem. So we've got log 3, 6 plus log 3, 5. So remember, plus changes to multiplication. So log 3 of 6 times 5, log 3 of 30, which is A. All right, 40. Natural log works pretty much the same way as log, okay? We're just trying to get it down to the same thing. But natural log and ease are opposite. So like, the opposite of adding is subtracting. Opposite of multiplying is dividing. The opposite of square rooting is squaring, right? All of those things cancel each other out. Well, natural log and e are each other's opposites. They cancel each other out. So when I've got natural log of e to the x minus natural log of e to the 9x, that natural log and e on both of those cancel each other out. So here I just have x minus natural log and e cancel each other out, 9x. So that's 1x minus 9x, which is negative 8x. This time, the whole natural log completely got rid of itself, leaving you with just negative 8x. All right, number 41, last one. Same thing, natural logs and e's. So once again, the natural log and the e cancel out, leaving you with 3u plus natural log and e cancel out, 5v. Okay, well, you cannot add 3u and 5v together because they're not like terms. So the answer is C, 3u plus 5v.